Okay, everyone, welcome to our channel. This is the Syllaber Bullies. So, right now, actually, itong araw na to training ng aming mga babies. So, ipapakilala namin ang aming mga fur babies. Of course, what we have here, we have our trainer, handler, Mr. Kevin Irasi, and this one is our baby girl, Mirana. This is a classic American bully. And we have here Taki girl. Si Taki is our one of our dogs. She's the dog of my sister-in-law. So she's a pamangkin. And of course, ayan si Mirana. Tinetrain 3 times a week ng aming dog handler trainer na si Sir Kevin Irasi. And he's also giving tips sa aming daddy, Francis Bacan. Now, so as you can see, dun sa malayo may paparating na big boy. Ayan. Of course, winowalk natin yung mga fur babies natin. Of course, this one is Tiny Boy, a pogi boy. This is our Kuya Tiny. Kasi he's our very first American bully na dumating sa akin. Yan, makikita nyo pala ihi kung saan umiihi. Lahat na lang minamarkahan. At pala antok. Itong bata. Tiny, excited. Cute ng puwet. So cute. Yan, lahat ng madadaanan gusto iihian muna. Unlimited ihi. So that's our fur babies here in Syllaber Bullies. So let us know what other contents you like to see. So we're just here sharing the cuteness of our beloved dogs. Like right now, of course, we're trying our best na mag-healthy sila. Pinapatrain namin sila 3 times a week. And of course, we have here Taki girl. Kahit pinubuli yan, literal, ng mga bullies. Napakabait na ni Taki. Nakita nyo naman si Tiny, oh. May hawak pa na plastic labo si Sir Kevin dito kasi anytime tumatay, bigla na lang yan si Tiny. Nagpupup. Kung saan. Na hindi pa kalat-kalat yung mga poops nila. Excited si Tiny, nakakita ng ibang dogs. Okay, so walking time, gating. Pero iihi na naman. Si Tiny talagang pogi-pogi. Okay, ready na for stacking. Diba? Cute-cute ni Tiny, oh. Ay, naantok pa rin. So, let us know what other contents you want to see from the Syllaber Bullies. Comment down below and we'll be more than happy to cater for whatever you like to see in our channel. Okay, last gate day ni Tiny. Si Taki binuhat na lang ng kanyang ate. Okay. Alright, last stocking for Tiny. So, last but not the least, of course, na ipapakilala natin is yung makulit na black and white na yan. As you can see, actually si Tiny, kuya tawag namin dyan. Kasi una namin siya na-pick up, pero ang una talaga naming nabili is yung makulit na black and white na yan, which is the alpha of the Sila Bear Bullies. Kasi mas malapit lang yung location ng pinag-pick upan namin kay Tiny. Tsaka matanda lang ng days, like 4 days or 5 days ata si Tiny kay black and white. That is our Sila Bear. So, as you can see, napakasungit niyang babae na yan. Aming baby girl. Yung typical attitude ng dogs towards of course, mga hindi niya kilala, hindi niya nakakasama sa bahay. Masungat siya, pero sobrang loyal at napakabait at napakalambing. So, of course, sa amo, ayan, as you can see, sobrang pabebe niya. Well, the sad thing is, we lost her just 6 months ago and we're very sad, sobra. Kaya, yung Sila Bear Bullies, pinangalan namin sa kanya kasi it's all about her memories, of course. Memories ng mga fur babies namin, not just Sila Bear. Pero of course, dahil nalulungkot kami, we want to share the videos that we have on our phones. Na meron kaming natitira sa amin when we lost her. So, as you can see, napakalambing niya. Sobrang miss na miss namin sa Sila Bear. So, doon nagsimula ang Sila Bear Bullies. Sobrang nakakalungkot. Pero ganun talaga. Darating at darating talaga sa point na mawawala yung mga fur babies natin. Pero ang mahalaga is we tried our best to give them the best life that they can have. And masasabi naman namin we tried our best to give her what she deserved when we still had her. So, that's the story. Well, a short story about the Sila Bear Bullies. How it started. Kung sino yung mga fur babies namin na nandito. Nakakamiss yung Sila Bear. So, nakakamiss yung pag-wiggle-wiggle niya ng yung short tail niya na yan. Tsaka yung puwet niya. Ito, nakakatuwa. Kaya, miss na miss namin siya. But of course, we also love what we still have left. Yan, si Tiny Boy, and of course, si Mirana. And then, we also have Taki. We're happy that Taki is back here at home. So, yeah, napaka-sweet na Sila Bear. Nakakamiss. As you can see yan, sobrang clingy ni Sila Bear na yan. Kung may babalik lang. Alright, so that's it. I just wanted to share with you the cuteness of Sila Bear and friends and Tiny and Mirana and Taki. So, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Bye!